Okay friends, sometime eBay give you an offer like £1 eBay selling fees. This is usually for the personal account, not for the business one, and only on first 100 sellings. So how sometimes you activate it. I last time activated and I didn't get any discount. So I find out a way how you can confirm it's been activated and how long it's been activated. So let's go to our eBay account. Go to this seller hub, click on it, and you will be in your seller hub. Go to your overview, and in overview you just go scroll down. Here you will see promotional offers. Okay, first we have to, when we get this email, you just activate it. Okay, I have already activated it, so it's showing that it's being already activated, but last time it didn't help me, so I just wanted to confirm. So
please subscribe our YouTube channel, #smartbrains, and don't forget to click on the bell icon. Thank you very much.
If you click on it, you will see this enjoy festive with £1 eBay selling fees. So click on it, activate it. So here you will find this message, and here you can see it's starting from 4th December to 7th December. For 3 days it's been activated. You can take a picture of it and keep it. If eBay didn't give you a discount, if you sell something during 4 to 7 December, whatever the date you will get only £1 fees charged. Whether it's it may be in a usual time it might be £4, but they will charge only £1 for eBay, not for your payment charges. Hopefully this will help you guys and it will solve your problem. All the promotional offer you will see here in this section. And if you need to increase your monthly limit for selling, because initially eBay only gave you 5, you can list 5 items, so you can apply through here in this section. Thanks for watching. Please follow me. Thank you.